everyone, welcome to CloudRabbit. In this video, I will explain you how to install the Node.js project by using the AWS console. Here we are going to use the AWS cloud and we are going to create a EC2 instance. By creating the EC2 instance and by using the EC2 instance, we are going to deploy this Node.js project. For the Node.js project, so this is the repository. This is the repository, and these are the installation steps are there for the repository. Here these are the installation steps for the repository. First we need to create the one EC2 instance. Here click on the instance, give any name. I'm just giving the name as a Node.js server and select Ubuntu here. Then create a key pair. Create a key pair. Then here in the network setting, this Node.js project and this Node.js project works on the port number 3000. Works on the 3000. I just enabled a SSH and see here. In the code, we'll see this code. Here they had assigned the port number 3000. To access this server, Node.js application on the server, we need to use this. In the code they had used the 3000, so that's why I had given the 3000 here. The port is 3000 here. Just click on the launch instance. I created instance in the security group as port number open 3000. Then I had just launched the instance. Just refresh. Again refresh. So now it is in the running state. Try to connect by using the git bash. Click on the connect. Copy the SSH client. Go to the key pair location, right click here, click on show more options, click on git bash and paste here and enter. Type yes here. Then we need to update the local repository by typing the sudo apt update. Then we need to install the JIT to download the code. For installation of JIT, we need to type sudo apt install JIT-y. Install the JIT. Here, then go to this repository, follow these steps. Here, first we need to clone the repository. To clone the repository, here paste here, git clone followed by the URL, repository URL, then press enter. Then code is downloaded into the local Ubuntu system. Then type ls. This is the code repository we have downloaded locally. Then we need to install the package manager. Here go to this folder, copy and paste. Go to this folder. Then next command is just log into the root by typing sudo su. Then what is the next command? Here we need to install the npm package manager. Then paste here. Then type s. Then npm package will be installed. Once the npm packages are installed, then we need to install the package and dependency. Just copy this command. Wait for some time. It is installing. Takes time to install. Then paste this command. We need to install the package and dependency by typing npm install. Here next is we need to run the Node.js app. Then paste. Now Node.js app is running. To access the Node.js app, go to the instance, click on the instance, copy the public IP address, paste in the public IP address in browser, followed by the port number 3000. Then enter. So now we created a successfully deploy the Node.js project on the AWS EC2 instance. I will give the GitHub repository link in the description. Okay. Please subscribe me and please support me. Okay.